Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Datable channel. Today I am here with two new DAX functions. Those are Rollup and then Rollup group. We will be watching this particular functionality in very simple language into this particular video. So let's get started with the video. First one is Rollup and another one is Rollup group. We are directly jumping to Power BI and let you understand that how these two functions work and what its usability into our Power BI. It will be better understandable there only. If I will tell you the theory, might be that you will be confused. So let's jump to the practical one. For that, what I have done is in this particular in video series, I have totally worked on this fact table. In this fact table, if you are aware of the with some other videos of me, then definitely you would have seen this particular table in all of the videos. In this, what I am taking is there are multiple columns into it that are row, order ID, order date. It's totally a sales table for some particular company in which everything is mentioned over there, right from the customer name to product ID, product name, and then sales value, everything, whatever basic requirement in the sales table it is. So in this particular table, we will be more focused on this on three columns into it. First one is category. You can see over here category, and then subcategory. Third one and the last one is this sales. This with these three columns in from this particular table we will be using for the explanation of rollup and then rollup group, so that you can easily understand that how these two works. For that, what we will be doing, let me close this up so that it will be not confusing to you. And for going ahead, what we will do, we'll click on this table tools in this data view section. Here, clicking on new table, which will create a new calculated table over here. So for that, I am clicking on new table. We will rename this table as table underscore rollup, since we are dealing it with rollup DAX function. So let it keep simple and provide it here rollup. Now the DAX function which we will first see is rollup. So we can't use this rollup function directly into our Power BI. It is none of the use in that moment. It is used into summarize DAX function. If you are aware of this summarize, how the summarize function works, then it's totally fine. If not, let me quickly recap the thing so that it will not be sounding confusing to you. So for that, I will just take summarize DAX function. Now in this summarize DAX function, it is expecting basically three parameters into it. First one is the table what you are going to take. After that, the group by column name can be category column. That means what we are trying to do is we are trying to group our whole fact table based on category column, and we will find out the sales value with respect to each and every category present in the fact table. Hope this is clear to you. So four parameters we are going to pass over here, that are fact category, the name of the sales column we will provide as total sales. It's just name, it's optional one also, you can give it or you can leave it. So I am providing it as total sales. The fourth parameter is the expression, that what you are going to on summarization, that means on creating the group, what you are going to find out the aggregation function you need to provide over there. So for that aggregation we are going to provide as sum. Now this sum, in this sum we will provide another column of which we want to take the sum based on that all categories. So that is sales column. We'll wrap it with bracket. First we'll see how this summarize is working. After that, on top of it we will apply this rollup and rollup group. so that things will be easy to you. From this particular small table, that whole table, fact table, was very much large. That whole table has been converted to a small table. That means it is giving you a data or the knowledge that based on each category, how many total sales are there in this fact table. So this is totally clear to you that furniture is having sales of this much, office supply is having sales of this much, technology having sales of this much. So this is the summarized table in front of you. Now you just you want to apply roll up function on top of this. How it will help this roll up function and why it will be used, let's first apply it, then later you will clearly understand that what is going on behind the scenes. For that, what I will do, since this is the category column on which we are doing all the things, that means category, based on category we are bifurcating the rows into our whole table. So what we will do, we will provide a roll up function on it. Rollup function is only expecting group by column name. Since fact category is the group by column name into the summarize DAX function, we are applying that rollup on this fact category only. That's why. So this is clear to you that we have applied only rollup. It was initially not having supplied into any type of DAX function, but this time we are applying rollup on this category column. When we will click on enter, you will see that there will be a new row added into it. So let's see what it is giving you. The new row, it is having the value 872363. If you will go ahead and calculate these three values based on the category whatever we are having, that 285562 plus 252956 plus 333844, when you will add all these three, you will end up with this particular result. So this is the beauty of this roll up function, that if it has calculated total sum of total sales value whatever you are taking into the summarized table. Now moving ahead, this roll up can be passed with multiple group by columns. Let's take up another example in which what we are going to do and what your problem statement is. Suppose you are having category, based on category you are having total sales, right? And after that, whole of the sales, overall sales is getting calculated and given as result. Now the problem statement in front of you is, you already seen in fact table that there is a subcategory column as well. Now this category column is already present here. Now you want to bifurcate and summarize this whole table based on category and then subcategory category, and then you just want to take out the total sales of each of the category and subcategory combination. What I am trying to tell is, just pass this roll up function with having another parameter as subcategory into it. Let's click on enter. You will get to know what I am trying to tell. You can see that this category is multiple times repeated, and this subcategory is unique in nature. That means if furniture is the category, it has taken as subcategory as sub bookcases, chairs, again tables. All these subcategory comes into this category. This subcategory comes into this particular category. So this category is multiple times repeated. That means it is making a combination of category and subcategory. On the basis of combination, it is taking out the total sales value of furniture, and in furniture bookcases, how many total sales is for the bookcases in this furniture category? It is 41278. Similarly, it is done for all the three, that is office supplies also and technology also. After that, you can see in last there are 4 rows we are having into it, which is named nothing, but it is also not containing any subcategory as well. So what does it represent? What these values are? So if you will go ahead and check that what furniture means whatever subcategory it is over here with having category, in furniture category, if you will calculate sum of all these furnitures, that means 41278 12226, wherever furniture it is over there, if you will calculate the sum of that, it will end up with having this particular figure. Similarly for office supplies and similarly for technology. And at last it is summing whole these three and giving you the total overall sales result in whole fact table. Now I hope that this is pretty much clear to you that how this roll up is working on a single category column and on multiple category column. Now let's go ahead with roll up group thing. If you want, suppose if you are having a problem statement in front of you, that you don't need these three rows in front of you, which is bifurcating on the basis of again category and giving you the sales value. If you at all not needed, this particular one is not needed, then what you will do, then for that there is a new DAX function, that is rollup group. Nothing you will do, you will just apply rollup group on the same parameter whatever it is passed over there in rollup, and top of this rollup group again rollup will be applied. That means this rollup function will be passed with rollup group. It will always come in combination with the rollup, this rollup group thing. Now when you will click on enter, you can see that there is no any extra row except the overall sales value it is present over here. That means it is not having any subtotal value in it. It is directly giving you the total sales and the category subcategory sales value. That means furniture bookcases, whatever sales value it is over here, it is giving you. Similarly furniture chair, it is giving you. For all these combination, it is giving you the sales value. Hope this is crystal clear to you. If any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Stay tuned to the channel for upcoming DAX function. If you find this video helpful, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.